They just took off in a starship. You gotta bring him back.
Of course. Come with us, sir.
Where is it that you call home?
It's at Aden, where we just were.
Can't say I remember no at-atting.
Wim, you promised we wouldn't get in trouble, but now we're way, way out past the barrier. Then we're lost forever.
We need directions home, that's all. Is this enough, sir?
Whoa. See if they got more on them.
Help! Help! I can't believe you said you wanted to be a Jedi when you grow up.
So what if I did? Don't you ever want to do anything exciting? I found something buried in the woods. Wait a minute. Someone's been here. You. Name's Fern. She's KB. And this is our find. If we open it, then we get to go in and look. Deal. It's just a droid. A dead droid. Do not touch that. Don't touch anything. Oh, let's go, let's go! It's a starship? Dad! Dad! Up here! Whoa. Where are we?
If that was hyperspace.
We could be really, really, really far away.
This is so bad. We need to turn around and go home right now.
Okay, easy. If you press another button, I swear I will